Hey everyone, welcome back to Graft Academy. Today we're going inside the science to explain what really happens after a bone graft, how your body builds new bone. You've probably heard that a bone graft helps regrow or rebuild lost bone, but what does that actually mean? How does a piece of graft material turn into living, functioning bone that's just as strong as the original? Let's break it down step by step. The process of bone regeneration after a graft involves 4 key stages: blood clot formation, cell migration, bone formation, and bone remodeling. Stage 1. Blood clot and stabilization. Right after the graft is placed, your body's natural healing response begins. The surgical site fills with blood, which quickly forms a clot that protects the graft material and provides the first source of healing cells. This clot isn't just for sealing the wound, it's full of growth factors, platelets, and proteins that signal the body to start building new tissue. If your dentist used PRF, platelet-rich fibrin, that enhances this stage even further by concentrating these growth signals. Stage 2. Cell migration. Within the first few days, special cells begin moving into the graft site. Blood vessels start forming through a process called angiogenesis, the creation of new capillaries. These vessels are critical because they deliver oxygen and nutrients to the area. Then come osteoblasts, the bone-building cells. They attach to the graft material and begin laying down the first layer of new bone matrix. This early bone is soft and unorganized, like scaffolding being set up before concrete is poured. Stage 3. Bone formation. Over the next few weeks, osteoblasts continue producing new bone tissue around and within the graft material. The graft acts as a template, a 3-dimensional structure that guides the shape and density of the new bone. As more bone cells move in, they start replacing the graft particles with real mineralized tissue. Calcium and phosphate are deposited, and the area gradually hardens. This is when the graft begins transforming from a passive material into living bone. Stage 4. Bone remodeling and maturation. Over the following months, your body remodels this new bone to match the natural architecture of your jaw. Some cells called osteoclasts resorb old or weak areas, while osteoblasts continue strengthening the structure. The graft material slowly disappears as your body replaces it completely with your own bone. By around 4 to 6 months, sometimes longer for large grafts, the new bone is fully integrated, strong, and ready to support a dental implant. This process is called osseous regeneration, and it's one of the most remarkable examples of how biology and dentistry work together. The graft doesn't grow new bone on its own. It gives your body a framework and the right environment to do what it already knows how to do. The success of this process depends on several things: good blood supply, graft stability, clean surgical conditions, and proper healing time. If all those are in place, the body's natural repair mechanisms take care of the rest. Think of the graft as scaffolding on a construction site. It gives your body a structure to build around. Once the building, your new bone, is complete, the scaffolding is removed because it's no longer needed. By the end of healing, the bone in that area is living tissue again. It responds to chewing pressure, maintains strength, and fuses seamlessly with your jaw. To summarize, after a graft, your body forms a blood clot, brings in healing cells, grows new bone, and then remodels it into permanent tissue. The graft is simply the blueprint. Your biology does the real construction. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to Graft Academy, and share it with someone curious about how bone grafts really work. We post new educational videos every week to help you understand modern dentistry in simple, clear language. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.